Okay, so I'm getting ready to install this old half wig, and here it goes. Here I'm just parting my hair, so half of it could be in the ponytail and the other half is going to be like in a low bun, and I'm going to add the half wig on top of the lower ponytail, well, where the part is at the top. Okay, here I am struggling to get the edge control out. Finally got it out. It's really thick. It's pretty good. It lasts all day, so I highly recommend it. And here goes nothing. Okay. I'm just doing my edges and my little swoops in the front, just getting that together. Really cute style.
$6,400 subsidy for comprehensive health coverage and benefit card for groceries, prescriptions, and doctor visits. Here's a statement about the ACA subsidy. Don't miss out. Follow the Gov provided link below and make your call today.
Okay, here I'm just flattening out the leave out at the top with the top ponytail and just blending it in.
What's up, everybody? I'm with Jamar Chase. You know, as you see, second favorite option for a few days. And I'm here with TA's.
Okay, I'm all done. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.